Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect broker to TradeLocker. And it's quite simple because if you go to the TradeLocker website, we click here on start trading and then we find here a broker that we want to use on TradeLocker. So these are the brokers that are supported by TradeLocker. So if you want to find a broker, make sure that you click here on get started and create an account on that broker. Once you did that, you make sure that you created your own demo or live account. And once you did that, you received in your email the password and the server ID. And once you receive that, we go here to TradeLocker. This is the application. If you want to download the application, we go back, and then go back again and click here on Access Platform and make sure that you download right here the TradeLocker application. And once you did that and you created an account on the broker that you use, you need to fill in your email right here, your password and the server ID that you received in your email. Then you click here on login and then you can log in with that account. If you want to switch from demo to live, click here on switch to live and then he will switch to a live account. But this is the way how you can connect a broker to TradeLocker. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.